Nigeikaro gikurongoreirio gwethera nja githagathago kiria gikoretwo kuo gia cukari kuri muthuthuria munene wa thirikari gutanyetwo gwikinyia mbere ya kamiti-ino ya hamwe kurekereria maumira ma uthuthuria uria makoretwo magitabania wa cukari uria urikite kuhithukio guku bururi-ini ona gutwika matine kinyia mbere ya kamiti-ino.
We have the relevant documents to make decisions on this matter. We have results from Kenya Bureau of Standards, government chemist. So what else do we need from these officers to make a decision? You know, the issue and decision must be made.
Ndeto ino ne tuthurire wari mwari na gukanirwa gatagati ka memba kamiti-ino.
My question is this: if they were outside,
please,
if they were outside,
my
question is if they were outside.
You have not even heard what I was about to say. You can't jump simply because you have the idea.
Mbunge murugamiriri wa atumia thini wa kaunti ya Machakos Joyce Kamene akihithuria ati arugamirirĩa ya mauma thini wa rũirigo rwa mbunge no meto mucemanio-ini ungi.
They were waiting outside here. All of a sudden they've been directed to go to the CS's office. If they were here, why wasn't the communication? For the first time, this communication was not done accordingly.
Just a minute. You are saying
and
that
we are being told
order,
there are so many.
Order, Honorable Kamene. House of Records is a house of record, because the moment you claim that they were here and left, then that is a serious claim.
Riboti ya muthuthuria wa thirikari yuma yongerere uritu hari uthuthuria wa kamiti-ino kuona honge itiganite ikoretwo ikihena maumira ngurani. Riboti iria iriga kurekererio ni ruhonge rwa KEBS yonanirie ati cukari nduri na thumu muthemba wa mercury no uri na cuma ndito muthemba wa lead na copper. Kwa ihinda kamiti-ino ikoretwo igicera thiini wa makombe mwanya mwanya itemi ria gutegura githiururi kigie cukari utakinyanirie kiro mihang'o iri huthirite mamirioni ma mbeca no ukinyiria riu ciuriire Mwingi ukoretwo ukiyuria cigemaine na cukari uyu itiriro na anja.
I'm wondering why we are postponing making decisions when we could still make decisions because we have the relevant documentation.
Hihire riboti ino ikarekererio ri.
I have no doubt in my mind that by Wednesday we will be able to table a very comprehensive, detailed and final report that will lay bare this whole issue about the sugar, whether the sugar is safe or not.
Muthuthuria wa thirikari afitha kuma ministry ogiteri wa thiini na rugamiriria honge itiganite mairo nginyagia rucio gukorwo mekinyetie mbere ya kamiti-ino kwaga uguo mwerwo ikinya. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritwa rakwa ni Nungari wa Kamau.